Hey guys, Dan with American Woodsmith here. As you know, I do a lot of mortise and tenon cuts for a lot of the stuff we put together. And when I come across a nice product, I like to share it. I get paid for this, but I come across this nice chisel set from Rockler. It's five chisels. They're really nice and thin, which makes these chiseling cuts so easy. And these chisels are roughly, they're 4 inches long. So they're longer than their average wood chisels that you buy. That's why I got them. I like the grip. It's real quality. The other thing I like, comes with a sharpening stone. So you got one side is like 120 grit, top side's 240. You use the 240 most of the time. Pretty simple to use actually. All you gotta do is clamp your chisel down. Just clamp her down. There's just a small groove there, so it's a little harder to get started, but then your roller, you just roll it back and forth. Sharpens it away. I like that, and I like this case. So when you're done, you can put the chisels in there, close the case. You don't have to worry about all the sawdust and fine dust getting all over it. So yeah, I thought that was a great product for you guys starting out, or even guys that have been doing this a while like me. So hope you enjoyed this small review. It wasn't very long. I just wanted to share something that I found was very useful. Hey guys, thanks. Don't forget to click subscribe, hit the bell so you get notifications for upcoming videos that I have. Thanks, man.